Hello, welcome to Plant-Based Large Family. We're starting to get some consistent days in the 50s, and so after my last video where I said, what's going on with my raspberries, and everyone pretty much said, I don't know. No, some people did give me some ideas. Mainly just that I probably wasn't pruning them the correct way. So I looked that up again, and they said with everbearing you can just kind of clear cut them in the fall, and then you can cut them again in the spring to have two harvests, or you can just cut them once and have a big fall harvest. So I still was not fully clear as to what I need to do, when I need to do it. So what I did mainly, you probably can't see because it's just all mulch. If you see the sticks sticking up, that's all blueberry plants, or blueberry canes, I guess is what they are right now. And as long as they're far away from the blueberry bush, I'm letting them do that, because then that will turn into a blueberry bush itself and I'll replant it. And then I left, but as you can see, pretty much clear cut most of the raspberry canes. I left some that looked like they were prima canes, but just some. I mean, just maybe 10, just to kind of see what happens. I mean, I'm not killing the plant. The roots are all still in there, and I know they'll come back. I'm hoping that maybe this clear cutting will help remedy that. I need to get more mulch in here, but other than that, that's all done. All the pruning is done. The weeds are starting to pop through, and I need to get more mulch in here. But we don't have any, so I've been praying for mulch a lot lately. Since restorative starting to get warmer, I mean 50s, better than what we've been, I planted some lettuce. I went ahead and bought some onion starts, so I'll probably plant those next week. The spinach overwintered much better than I thought it would. Oh, and I've been planting bulbs. I don't know if I showed that in my last video. I'm going to walk over here. So I don't know if I showed this, but I've been taking my bulbs that were planted over by the house that were just, it just was too shaded over there, even though I loved them planted over there, but it was just too shaded. So I've been taking those and replanting them and covering them with mulch, and they've started to pop through. So this is, this whole section is daffodils. And then, let's see, right down here is where the asparagus will come up. And then I saw two other different types of bulbs. One, I actually don't know what it is. We'll wait until it blooms, and then I'll just ask you. And then the other I know are tulips. So the tulips are right there. But that's about it. That's what I've done this week. And I'll just keep you updated. If we keep having nice weather, I'll go ahead and plant my onions and some more lettuce. What else? Beets, spinach, carrots. But I mean, I can certainly plant, but I really would like to haul some mulch so that we can get the whole garden covered, so that we don't have to do that when it gets hot. That is my dream. And also, where you see tarp, I want to uncover that all this spring and plant potatoes, but I can't do that unless I have more mulch. So we'll just see. We'll wait and see, and watch and wait and see what the Lord does. And I'll keep you updated to see if anything else gets done this next week. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.